Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video today is going to be showing you how to get admin commands in Rivals Roblox. This is working in 2026 and this actually uses a secret code that you can redeem in-game, and it's going to give you access to the admin panel, which is going to allow you to get super speed, you can get invincibility, aimbot, and tons of more things, flying, and unlock all weapons, stuff like that. Before I show you this method of getting admin commands in Roblox Rivals, I'm doing a huge Robux giveaway, so make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe. And once you do both of those things, you will be entered into the Robux giveaway. So let's not waste any more time. Let's show you guys how to go ahead and get admin commands in Rivals. So what you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone to obtain your Rivals code. So I've opened up the internet browser, and all you've got to do is head on over to Crash Coupons. Let me get rid of that hair. So yeah, type in www.crashcoupons. So yeah, type it like this, crashcoupons.com. Oops. But anyway, guys, go to crashcoupons.com, and this is the website here. Now you need to find the Rivals codes page. Pretty easy to find, just use the search bar. There are a few different codes on here, so go ahead and scroll down, and you're looking for the admin commands code. So this is going to unlock secret admin commands panel in Rivals Roblox. So click on get code. As you can see, there is a ton of codes remaining, guys, so there shouldn't be any issue getting one. This is going to basically look for a code and allocate you one. Okay, so it's found us our admin commands code, but you need to unlock it. This basically prevents people taking all of the codes. This does stop people doing that, and it limits one code per person. So what you're going to want to do is click on get full code, and you just got to follow the instructions on this screen here. It says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code. So basically, guys, you're going to have a list of offers on this page that are all completely free. You need to choose 2 of them, making sure you follow the instructions below each. So basically there is a set of instructions. These are basically things like installing and opening mobile apps, playing mobile games, answering surveys. Just very important that you do follow the text, because that tells you exactly what you need to do. Take your time. It's going to take you about 5 to 10 minutes. Fully complete 2 of them, and it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Rivals code will be revealed for admin commands. So you basically grab your code from this box, enter it into the redeem code part in game, and yeah, that is going to get you admin commands, guys. So it gives you tons of features. You can literally troll people. It's really fun. So go to Crash Coupons. If you need any help, let me know. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.